Hi everyone, it's me again. Don't know if you guys can see it, but the oven is dirty. I'm going to try to clean it out. This is a self-cleaning oven. Gotta hit clean. I don't know if you guys can see that. Start. I have no clue how to do this. This is different than the one I've had before. Clean. Okay. Keeps clearing itself off, so I have no clue how to do it. Really? Wonderful. I have no clue. Okay, I guess I won't do that. It's coming up with an F9 error, which I have no clue what that means. Well, everyone, I'm going to stop right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.